moment we find our stay. Underneath the sky where dreams unfold, melodies of hope and colors bold.
Pero madulas ka. Madulas talaga. Kaya nga sinasabi ko siya huwag ka mag-video. Bitawan mo yan.
Ayan po, pababa na yung baka masaldak pa dyan mamaya. O, bumaba ka na. O, tingin. Brin, harap ka sa akin. Oh, dahan-dahan.
Madulas dito.
Oo.
Hip-hop drums keep the rhythm alive. In this uplifting we all belong. Together we rise with hearts in flight, dancing on clouds, we're lost in the light. With every note we'll find our song. In this uplifting we all belong. Through the echoes a choir sings, carrying love on gentle wings. Light hip-hop drums keep the rhythm alive. In this embrace we learn to thrive. Together we rise with hearts in flight, dancing on clouds, we're lost in the light. With every note, with every note, find our song. In this uplifting we all belong. We all belong. So let the music carry us high. In this moment we'll touch the sky.
Nasa ilog kami ngayon. Ang ganda dito. No. Ha? Isang lalaki kasi pumunta doon sa kabila. Jazz, saan ka na? Jazz! Jazz! Justin!
Days are shifting, times are blurred, caught in feelings unsure of her. Echoes whispering, a distant spark, chasing visions wandering in the dark.
Saan ka naman dito?
In
Dito?
this moment, let the world drift away. With every movement, we'll sway in the play. Hold on tight, we'll weave through the night.
Last.
In this moment, everything feels right. Colors merging, laughter surround. Lost in stories where magic abounds. Step by
kanta nitong isa.
We're finally free. Through the chaos, we'll carve out our space. In this moment, we found our place.
Baka hanapin tayo.
In this moment, let the world drift away. With every movement, we'll sway in the play. Hold on tight, we'll weave through the night.
Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
This moment, everything feels right.
Alam mo yung gamit mo doon pag nawala talaga, sinasabi ko. Andon yung drone mo.
Time stands still when you're here with me. Breaking the chains, we're finally free. Through the chaos, we'll carve out a space. In this moment, we found our place. In this moment, let the world drift away. With every move.
Kala mo may gimbal to eh. Mamaya ang pagka-record ito ganun. Spell gimbal. G-U-I-M-B-A-L. Ano? Okay.
In this moment, I feel the fire burning deep inside. The world is spinning, but I won't hide. I'll raise my voice, let the truth collide. In this moment, I'll break down all these walls I've built. I'll stand tall with every ounce of guilt. I'll find my strength, find where I belong. In this moment, I'll let go. I'll find the light, let my spirit flow. I'll rise above, let the music take flight. In this moment, I'll shine so bright.
Hello guys! So, andito kami ngayon. Naglalakad pabalik galing sa Mount Mariglem. Yung iba kasi nag pulong-pulong or habal. Yung parang tricycle ganun na open. Kaso ang daming, hindi ko alam, ang dami talaga ngayong mountaineers na nagsabay-sabay. So ang daming pila. So pinili namin maglakad na lang kami pabalik doon sa drop-off point ng sasakyan sa van. So yung iba naghintay doon, nagpaiwan kami, nilakad lang namin. Wala kaming tour guide ha. Wala kaming tour guide. Kaming dalawa lang yung pabalik, pero medyo alam naman na namin.
Habutan na kasi yung iba ko.
In this moment, I feel the fire burning deep inside. The world is spinning, but I won't hide. I'll raise my voice, let the truth collide. In this moment.
So update, ano na lang kami, mga 10 minutes na lang. Malapit na kami sa drop-off point. Finally, guys, andito na kami. Nakarating na kami sa drop-off
Sign na malapit
point.
ka nang nakababa ka na is may video ka nang naririnig.
Nakabalik din kami. Finally.
Hindi tayo nang galing.
Hello, so andito na kami sa van and nagpe-prepare na kami para umuwi. Nakaligo na rin kami. Hello guys, so time check 8:05 PM. So kakarating lang namin, nandito na kami sa Pampanga, San Fernando, Pampanga ngayon. And grabe nakakapagod yung biyahe. Tsaka yung sobrang antok. And dumiretso kami dito sa Jollibee para kumain. So yun lang guys. Dito ko natatapusin yung aking vlog. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Stay safe and healthy.